today we're going to be making a prayer jar. Some supplies you're going to need is construction paper, scissors, popsicle sticks, a jar, a lid for the jar, some markers, some stickers, some paint, some glitter, and some ribbon. For this activity, you're going to be decorating your jar however you like, or you can decorate it just like how I'm doing it. I'm going to take my paint, blue and white, and put them into the jar. Put it in a bag and screw the lid on. And then shake it. And you're going to screw the lid off, take the jar out of the bag, and then screw the lid back on. While we let it dry, we're going to be decorating the outside. Decorating it, you're going to tie a bow around it with some ribbon. Set your jar aside and write stuff on the popsicle sticks for specific prayers. How do you suppose? Once you're done writing out your prayers, you're going to place them into your jar. But since my jar is not quite dry yet, I'm not going to do that quite yet. Thank you for making a prayer jar with me. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Join in next week for some more fun crafts or activities with Calvary Chapel Kids.